Welcome to the Product Explainer video of Consumer Homepage in HCL SX. To begin with, enter your credentials to sign into your account. This is the Consumer Homepage of HCL SX. Click on the list view to explore the service offerings. For ease of navigation, you have sections like My Favorites and Free. There is also a business function-wise navigation option to categorically browse through the offerings. If you're not familiar with the categories, you can use our comprehensive global search to look for services or crowdsourced knowledge. Let's try placing a request to onboard an IT professional. You can view the offering description, related offerings, and select optional components as per your requirements. You can view ratings and reviews by other users and either add to cart or proceed to checkout. You will have to now provide all the relevant information, in this case employee profile, required software, and hardware peripherals. You can choose to place the request for yourself, or in this case, on behalf of someone. Since we requested on someone's behalf, you can view the order details under Other section. Click on the request, and browse through the details by expanding whichever section you'd like to view. You may choose to add a watcher to notify them with regular updates, and post a comment for any assistance. A request will automatically generate tasks for teams to work upon, and you can view the progress for each of them here. Upon fulfillment of your request, you can respond to an auto-generated survey by choosing to view the request details. If you provide a rating of 3 or less stars, you get an option to reopen the request with a justification. The consumer homepage also gives you other options, such as viewing the assets or CIs assigned to your name. The My Profiles section enables you to view your profile information or set user preferences as needed. SX provides you a useful option to delegate service requests or change approvals for a specific time period in your absence via My Delegations page. This brings us to the end of this explainer video. Stay tuned for more videos on HCL SX. Thank you.